Technology will continue to transform the restoration industry. In our digital age, smart tech tools drive efficiency and alleviate a lot of the common pain points that we encounter on a day-to-day basis. Adopting the right kind of technology, though, is extremely important for your business and is now at the core of securing a profitable future. Standard equipment like air movers, dehumidifiers, these things aren't going away. However, there's a range of smart tech that's available that will not only make your life easier, but also help you meet these increasing customer standards. First, we have thermal imaging cameras such as this FLIR camera. Quite different from a regular photography camera, this high-tech tool can detect something that our eyes cannot see. It is able to sense infrared energy and then convert that heat into a visual image. So, when you're inspecting a home for water damage, a thermal image camera can be useful for detecting the difference between warm and cool areas hiding behind walls. A leaky wet area will have a cooler temperature compared to stable non-wet areas. A thermal imaging camera may identify a temperature pattern that looks like moisture, but it does not verify the actual presence of water. For example, it cannot actually see moisture in walls. That's why you should always use a handheld moisture meter. This tool helps you confirm whatever your thermal imaging camera has detected. Placed directly against the wall in several spots, the device will help you analyze the moisture content of that wall. Additionally, using a floor plan app such as MagicPlan is an ideal tool for documenting water leaks and damages you find at a residential property. Using this type of technology offers you several advantages. Number one, you save a lot of time. Creating instant floor plans with your mobile device's camera is definitely the quickest way to create a floor plan. And then you can use an integration such as MagicPlan's Xactimate Integration to quickly share these projects with another tool that you're using during your workflow. Secondly, you'll be able to capture photos and notes directly within those floor plans. This is a great way to authenticate the findings that you notice when you're on site. Third, you'll have a unified data collection process. This can all be done via a personalized checklist that you create before you even go on site. And lastly, you'll be able to generate instant reports. Maybe you're on site and somebody would like to see the overview of what you've just accomplished and what you've assessed. You can quickly generate a report and share that with them, all with a click of a button. Next, let's talk about Bluetooth lasers. You may want to pair one of these wireless devices with your floor plan app, and it's really simple. This is one of the best combinations of tools that you can have for fast and accurate floor plans. It's really simple to do. All you do, open up your application, sync your Bluetooth laser with your device, and then from there, you can start measuring. And this is one of the best ways to get extremely accurate floor plans, all very quickly. Another great tool is a 360 camera. This will allow you to create 360-degree walkthroughs. This is a really great way to capture every single aspect of a property on the go without investing a ton of time documenting every single small detail. Simply sync it via Bluetooth with your device, open up your preferred floor plan app such as MagicPlan, and start snapping all those 360-degree photos. Afterwards, you can revisit these photos and take a look via a virtual tour in the cloud. Next, let's talk borescopes. This is the perfect tool for detecting the source of a leak inside a pipe. It consists of a long, flexible fiber optic cable, which is mounted with a light and miniature camera. It connects to a video monitor where you can see images of the pipe's interior. Last but not least, a thermohygrometer. This type of sensing device is always useful to gather a quick and accurate reading of the amount of humidity inside a room. A high reading may indicate the presence of unwanted water or moisture located somewhere in that property. So what's the moral of today's story? Being prepared. Having the right tools on hand during a residential restoration job and assessment is exceedingly important. This will ensure that you are able to perform your job well by determining and documenting the full extent of any damage in that home. For more videos like this, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel. Until then, take care.